consumer quick guide on the 2020 Green Home Grant for replacement windows and doors. Is it worth it? It can cover 2/3 of the install cost, up to a maximum grant of £5,000 in the able to pay market, and all the cost up to £10,000 for those on means tested low income. But, and here's the kicker, fenestration is a secondary measure and even then limited in scope. You need to fit primary measures before secondary. Insulation of walls, roofs, floors and heat pump heating are primary and must be fitted before any secondary measures. Wave goodbye to most of the grant money as these measures are expensive. Even if you choose a cheaper primary measure such as loft insulation, then the grant for secondary measures is limited to that provided in the primary measure. But if there is some left, only window replacement where the existing is single glazing or doors installed prior to 2002 are included. So options for replacing your windows are very limited. Installers will need Trustmark and PAS 2030 certification, restricting your choice of installer, and administration of these jobs will cost more. So, all in all, if you don't want the primary measures, extra work and forms involved, you may be better contacting your local quality installer direct now. To find a quality local installer, go to members.certas.co.uk to find thousands of local rated installers independently certified to government standards.